Okay, today we got a quick video on Big M. And no, that's not Big Major. That's Big M windshield washer tank for the Nissan Hardbody. So let's take a look. So what we got here today is we're going to do a quick video on changing out this old windshield washer canister here. It is cracked up, leaking. I don't think the pump works or anything, so nobody it took me a while to actually find one of these that would work on it. So let me show you what I got. So what I ended up getting is one of these Big M electric windshield washer tanks. It comes with the tank, some tubing, a little adapter bracket, and some hose. So what I'm thinking is that it's a slightly different design, but will fit almost like the OEM. So it looks almost identical with the exception of this bracket right here. This bracket right here goes over and down, and it looks like this is going to go right to the firewall, but it does come with a little adapter. Well, I say firewall, the fender wall here. So let's take a look. First thing we're going to do is take out the bolt here, and then way down there. Okay, the bolts are out. Let's see what this thing looks like. Okay, so already I see a different style of connector. That's no big deal. We might be able to get that to work. Some type of situation here, not sure what that is. And oh, and this is a hose here. All right, that gives us something to work with. First thing I'm going to do is unclip the original harness here. Boy, that's grody. Got to clean that. Then we'll take the hose off. All right, let's come in here. Original Nissan brand. We'll come in here for comparison. Okay, we've got the Big M device here. Looks like that will line up fine. This bracket does it come off here? Oh, it does. So we might be able to use this bracket, the original bracket, but we may not need to. We may only need to use this one. And it looks like the little connector here, you see this is kind of flush in here, but the connector looks like it might be the same. First thing I'm going to do is clean this out with some of this electrical contact cleaner. And the next thing I want to do is I got my test light hooked all the way up to here. And this one turns the ground on, so I have this part hooked to the positive, this hooked here, and I will pull the washer and let's see if it pull. Okay, so we know the circuit works, and not sure if the hoses are cleared, but we're about to find out. Okay, now that we know the circuit works, let's come do a test fit on this bottle. And it looks like it is going to fit with that bottom bracket that it came with. So let's go take a look at that. Okay, so this tells me that this little bracket here is going to go here with the supplied screws and go up behind it. So we'll put them on right now. Okay, got this bracket on. It's screwed in from the back with these supplied little screws. Now I believe this thing will just hook directly up. Okay, even though this came with some nice new tubing, I believe I'm going to use this original tubing. It does not, unless it shows some leaks up there somewhere when I hook it up. But the end is flared, so it is always a good idea to cut off the little old used flared piece. I will go ahead and connect it to the new pump. And I will go ahead and connect the freshly cleaned electrical device to the pump. I did notice this is not completely plug and play because this will not fit here because of this little piece. So I am going to wallop this little piece off here with my Dremel tool. Okay, that's what I use there. Be real careful. Do not cut into the bottle if you're going to do that. I'm going to go get some dielectric grease and put on there because this is in a highly corrosive area. Put a little super lube. As you see, it is dielectric right there. Now you can see it fits on. The connector on this pump is at an angle specifically for that. I just need to hook my thing back up. All right. All right. And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. The fits pretty much as good as you can expect from an aftermarket part. It looks fairly original. And the next thing, all we've got to do is put some fluid in it and try it out. So I'm going to put some of this all-season stuff that's good into 0 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll put a link up above about have a separate video on the importance of this sometimes forgotten antifreeze. Okay, we'll snap the top back on it. And I do not see any leaks as of yet. Okay, now here are my two washer nozzles. I have no idea if these work, but we are going to, the key is on, I believe, right? Nope, it is on now, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this and we'll see if it works. I hear it. There it goes. Nice and strong. First wash this thing has had in God knows how long. By the way, these are new windshield wiper blades. I would not dare do this with old blades and scratch my pristine windshield up, which I kind of lucked out on this. I don't have any cracks or anything. This windshield looks fairly new. Okay, there. That ends my quick video on the Big M washer reservoir for a Nissan Hardbody pickup. So if your reservoir is cracked and is needed repair, check out Big M. I'll try to leave a link in my Amazon affiliate page or affiliate link below. Don't know if I can find. I think I got this off of Amazon. So if I did, I'll do that for you. Y'all have a great day.